We have curiosity. How can students learn better? Why are schools requiring this? How can I elevate?
你好，女同，你厉害，厉害。
Passion. In the field of education, it's important that we are passionate. The students can feel it from us. The teachers can feel it from us.
We want to hear what you see, what you think can be improved, because we have so many talented people here. So many good people here who want to do good as well.
Work ethic. Work hard, play hard. That's basically us.
Plenty of love. Give it plenty of love so she can get under it.